Professor Kavya Verma here. So today I'm here to present my game development assignment. So first let me show you the game. Let's click on play button. Yeah, so I implemented this pause button, so everything is controlled by mouse. I'm not using keyboard for any controlling. So in this pause menu I have three buttons: resume, credits, and main menu. The resume button will resume the game, credits button will take us to the credit screen, and the main menu button will take us to the main menu. So let's click on the credits. So it will take us on the credit screen, and if I press on menu button it will take back me to the main menu. So now let me tell you what I did in this assignment. So first of all, I implemented that pause menu button. So now I don't have to use escape key from my keyboard, and I use the mouse click to pause the game. And I also implemented the on click functions into the all the buttons. So here if I go in my game scene, and here if I go into any buttons, okay, so here is my resume button. So in my resume button I have used this on click functions and the game manager object to resume the game. Same goes for the credit and the main menu. Now for scaling the game to the mobile screen size, I use the anchor point to scale it. So yeah, so as you can see, I have used the anchor point in this canvas. So this was like a scale to the screen size, and here is the screen overlay. Yeah, a scale with the screens, and here is the resolution of my mobile phone that I'm using. So currently I'm using the Google Pixel 5 as a simulator, and everything was like done by the anchor point to the for the scaling of the game. And personally I also faced some difficulty while creating the pause menu, because whenever I was pressing the pause button, it was not able to display the pause menu. And then I figured out that some of the commands were misfiring. For example, like when I was pressing the pause menu it was like false, and when I was like not pressing it was true. So this kind of error I faced while I was building this application, but then I solved it. And also I faced some issues while ordering the components. The components were overlapping each other. So for example, the pause menu button was not visible first, and then I set the its number in order layer, so then it was visible. So now let me show you my code. So here if I go in Visual Studio Code, yeah, so this is my game manager.cs file. So here are all of my variables, and here are all of my game component. So the player component is for reference to the bird. This is the manager, so it like spawns the pipes when the game starts. This is for the main menu, and yeah, this controls all of the buttons. So also void awake function, so this function will calculate the score text and display it on the screen. Also it sets the framework so game looks smooth while it runs. And yeah, so this is the replay game function. So this function resets all the value for the scores and everything. So when the user replays the game or restarts the game, they start fresh. This is the game over function. It is like displayed when the game is over. And yeah, so these are the rest of my functions. And yeah, so this was my assignment. Thank you.